Could an AI algorithm protect our food sources better than any human could? This question sparks the conversation around the intersection of AI and biosecurity in agriculture. Biosecurity, for the uninitiated, is a set of practices designed to prevent the introduction and spread of harmful biological agents like pests, diseases, and contaminants. In the realm of agriculture, biosecurity is paramount. It safeguards our crops, livestock, and ultimately our food supply. Now imagine coupling biosecurity with artificial intelligence. AI, a technology that simulates human intelligence processes, has found its footing in various industries, and agriculture is no exception. AI can analyze vast amounts of data, predict patterns, and make decisions, all at a speed and accuracy beyond human capabilities. Picture this: AI-powered drones scanning fields for pests, or AI algorithms predicting disease outbreaks in livestock. Intriguing, isn't it? So AI has the potential to revolutionize biosecurity in agriculture, but how exactly does it work? Let's delve into a real-life case study to understand how AI is making a difference in the field of agricultural biosecurity. One such example is a tech company that has developed an AI algorithm to detect diseases in crops. Just imagine a virtual doctor for plants. The algorithm uses a fascinating approach. It leverages a combination of machine learning and computer vision to analyze images of crops. These images can be taken from various sources such as drones, satellites, or even smartphones. Every leaf, every stem is scrutinized by this AI, searching for patterns and signs of disease. The type of data it uses is not limited to images, though. The algorithm also factors in climatic data, like temperature and humidity, as well as soil conditions. This holistic approach is what sets it apart, making it a comprehensive solution for crop disease detection. Now, you might be wondering about its accuracy. Well, the results have been